Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to connect your Squarespace website with IG for social sharing or maybe shopping, you are in the right place. Because in today's small tutorial, I make sure to show you how to actually connect Squarespace to IG in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, before even going through the Squarespace platform, switch to a business IG account. Make sure your IG account is set to business or creator. Then connect IG to Facebook by linking your IG account to a Facebook page. So it's time now to go all the way look for Squarespace, log in using your email address and password, and we're gonna go to these settings. As for now, let's go and check the marketing tools. We have this matchup excellent ads, and we have this SEO and appearances. We also have these third-party tools we can connect accounts to. Tap on connect account, and you will be able to see Facebook and IG here. Go all the way to connect Instagram, select your IG and log in to authorized access. Enable social sharing. Choose where IG appears on your site, then add IG blocks. Insert IG blocks to display posts on your page. I will show you how right now. I will show you how by going edit your website. So we're gonna delete this embed code. For example, where is it? Delete. Where is the hello world? Delete. We're gonna go try add a block. We can actually go for a button, or it depends on you actually if you want to. We have map, we have calendar, we have embed, we have social links. So let's go. See, add social link. You have design. Okay, let's go back to add block. We have code, page links. We have this page links as well. You can use it. Index, contact, partners, product. We have products as well. We have IG. So as you see, guys, we have this IG integration. You can add this one as well. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.